How do you turn a blank sheet of paper into a torso that looks like it could actually breathe? The secret isn't talent, and it isn't muscles. It's a box, a line, and one simple rule. Build the structure before you ever think about the surface. Every powerful figure starts with construction. Before any detail, we feel for the gesture, the rhythm and tilt that gives the body its life. Then we block in the ribcage as a simple box and drop the center line, the Linea Alba, the seam that runs straight down the belly. Treat this line as your compass. Every form you draw will balance around it, left to right, top to bottom. Now we lay in the big masses, the pectoralis major, the broad, fan-shaped muscle of the chest, anchors the upper torso and sweeps toward the arm. Anchor it all to the bony landmarks you can actually see, the collarbones spanning the top and the pit of the neck sitting right between them. Right below the chest, we map the rectus abdominis, the muscle most people just call the six-pack. But look closely. It isn't flat. It curves over the stomach, like plates of armor wrapped around a barrel, each segment catching the light a little differently. Next, we carve the sides. The external obliques wrap the waist like a corset, and just above them, the serratus anterior fans out across the ribs, those finger-like slips that give a lean torso its athletic edge. Cap the shoulders with the deltoids, the rounded muscles that connect this whole chest structure to the arms and give the silhouette its width. With the map drawn, we shade for volume. Light lands on the top planes of each muscle, while shadow collects underneath, in the valleys, between the forms. By pushing the darks beneath the chest and along the center line, a flat sketch suddenly turns three-dimensional. Lift a few highlights, back out with the eraser, and the muscles seem to round toward you. Remember, contrast is what creates the illusion of weight and depth. Finally, we blend. Softening the transitions lets each form melt smoothly into the next, while a few sharp accents. The pit of the neck, the hard edge of the ribcage. Keep the drawing crisp and alive. Step back often. The eye reads the whole silhouette long before it ever notices a single muscle. That last 10%, the balance between soft and sharp, is exactly what separates a flat sketch from a believable sculpture. And there it is, bone, muscle, and light, built one patient layer at a time. If this changed the way you see the human body, follow SAMART for the complete anatomy series. In the next episode, we move upward to the muscles of the neck and head. Save this video, grab your pencil, and practice the build. We'll see you back here at the easel.